Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track your lost Bluetooth speaker. Tracking a lost Bluetooth speaker can be a bit tricky since most Bluetooth devices don't have built-in GPS or tracking features. However, through this video, I'm going to show you some steps that you can take to increase your chances of locating it. So the first one that you can do is check if your speaker has a built-in locator, because some Bluetooth speakers like certain JBL or UE boom models may have a built-in locator or tracking feature in their accompanying apps. So if you have a JBL speaker, you can use the JBL Connect app and it might help in locating connected devices. So if you are using Ultimate Ears or UE, you can use the UE Boom app because it might offer a tracking feature if was previously connected to your phone. Next, you can also use the Bluetooth range because Bluetooth has a limited range, typically around 30 to 100 feet. So it depends on the environment and speaker model. If your speaker was connected recently, you can just go to your phone's Bluetooth settings in here and check for any nearby devices listed. Walk around your house or the area where you think you lost it and looking for the speaker while the Bluetooth connection is active. The third one, you can use a Bluetooth tracker app. So there are a few apps designed to help you track Bluetooth devices, such as Find My Device for Android. So if your speaker has previously connected to your phone, you can use it to check its last known location. You can also use Tile or Shipolo Bluetooth tracker on your speaker. You can use their app to track it. Next, you can also just retrace your step. If the speaker isn't showing up through Bluetooth or apps, you can try to remember where you last used or saw the speaker. And you can consider checking places like car or bag, outdoor locations if you took it outside, or your house or office. And you can also try to just play sound. If the speaker is still within range, you can disconnect it. You might be able to trigger sound. And you can also use a locator device. So if you have a Bluetooth speaker that doesn't have a locator feature, you can consider getting a Bluetooth tracker like Tile for future prevention. You can also check for the online or with the manufacturer. Let's see, if you want to prevent misers for the future, you can attach a Bluetooth tracker like Tile or Chiplo to your Bluetooth speaker for future tracking. You can also use Find My Device feature is supported to help track it. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.